Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by ensuring the vehicle is stable. Park, set the brake, and let the headlight area cool. Put on gloves to protect the bulb from oils and gather an H11 bulb, screwdriver, and socket wrench so nothing interrupts the swap. Pop the hood, locate the headlamp housing, and remove the minimal access panels. On the 2018 Grand Cherokee, you may remove the battery tray or a wheel well fastener. This creates direct space behind the headlight for the replacement. Now focus on safe bulb removal. First, unplug the wiring harness by depressing the tab and pulling straight back to avoid bending pins. Then release the retaining ring or clips. Turn or unclip slowly so spring tension doesn't snap. Pull the bulb straight out without twisting. This prevents damaging the socket. Inspect the connector and housing for corrosion or melted plastic so you can address issues before installing the new bulb. Cleaning ensures a solid electrical contact and consistent beam pattern. With the old bulb out, handle the new H11 by the base and align its tabs, then push straight in and resecure the retaining ring or clips. This guarantees proper seating and heat transfer. Reconnect the wiring harness, replace the battery tray or access covers, and tighten fasteners so nothing vibrates loose. Finally, turn on the lights and verify beam pattern and brightness. If the lamp flickers or aim is off, double-check the connector, seating, and grounding. Reseat or tighten connections to resolve common faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.